Vlogmas 20. Yeah, tonight's chore, we're gonna be cleaning out this fridge. As you can see, there's a lot going on. Let's go ahead and tackle this. Then we're gonna go from the top to the bottom. Now that looks a lot better. It's like we clean up one thing and we create another mess.
I knew it was like that as a joke. Oh, do they do it out of fun? I love bowling.
The kitchen is clean, the fridge is clean. That took all about 1 hour to do. And it's behind upstairs to relax and get myself ready for bed. So, good night, mamas.